99 to 2007 F-250 350. We're going to show you how to change the center sliding rear window on a manual slider. So the first thing you need to do is take the tracks out and clean everything up, get all your broken glass out. We're going to take a hook tool and get that started, and that slides out. And keep bottom and top separate. The bottom is identifiable because it has weep holes in it. You can remove both of these. This is going to give us space to slip the glass in. There's outside trim that needs to come off too, top and bottom. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take and soap everything up with simple green. You can use soap of your choice, Dawn's fine. We're going to use a 18-inch capacity cabinet clamp, put in reverse so that it spreads the opening. You can see him putting it in the opening. You want to get right on the edge of the channel so that it doesn't interfere with the glass coming in. Alright. Setting the glass in, you can see it bend a little bit. Push on that again, see it bend?
Okay, so once you get the front part of this glass lipped over the rubber bit, you can work the rest of it back in and it'll all just pop in at once. Don't be afraid to bend it because it will bend quite a bit. And then once it's in, you can remove your clamp and reinstall your tracks. Lift up on the window, start one edge at a time, and slide it in, and it just clips in. Pull it back down, do the same thing with the top side, starting one edge. You may need to wiggle it around to get it past this. And that just clips back into place. And then you can put your seals back in on the outside of the truck. You're done.